Welcome to the Writer's Decision Sheet. This is the primary tool for our course, and you will learn how to fill it out and how to use the information in it to write your zero drafts. The key to the Writer's Decision Sheet is to understand that it's a decision-making tool. It asks you questions that, when you answer, will help you clarify your decisions about the piece of writing you're about to write. Let's turn to the Writer's Decision Sheet on the next page. For your reference, you can download the Writer's Decision Sheet from the Resources tab in Sakai, and so you have access to it as many times as you want. It's an empty template that you can use. The sheet looks something like this. There are several questions, and I will review each of the questions in depth on the next slides, but take a moment and read the questions. Now, you may not know the answers to these questions at this time, but by the end of the course, you will be quite competent in answering them. Let's look at them in detail. The first question that we will have to answer is, what do you want your reader to do, think, or feel when he finishes reading this writing that you're about to write? We're going to spend more time on this in class and clarifying it and discussing it. Generally, you want to answer with a verb so that we know what the action is. In English, verbs express action. Also, you don't want the answer to be too complex. A simple one-word answer will do. We will discuss a lot of this further in class, but it gives you an idea of what to do here. Question number 2 is, what is the reader worried about, keeps the reader up at night, or is concerned about? And that's filled in here. This information is important, so you must know your reader somewhat, because this information will allow you to speak directly to the reader and to be persuasive in convincing the reader to do what you want. Let's go to the next page. The third question asks you to provide information about the reader's wants and desires. What is the reader satisfied with? What benefits can what you present offer the reader? And that information goes here. Often, the information in box 3 is the reverse of the information in box 2. As we analyze more cases throughout the class, we will see more and more how the answers are linked to each other between question 2 and question 3. The fourth question asks you to construct the main idea based on the information presented in 1 and 2. You will be able to put together a main idea and have a clear idea about that main idea because you have done the homework needed to put the main idea together.